Welcome. In front of me I have the Google Pixel 8 and I'll be doing a test fit of a case by the brand Case, I guess. I'm not sure. In any case, case for a smartphone. Like, okay, cool, stating the obvious here. Now this one is also, I would say, for 8, the Pixel 8, though the rating right here doesn't really state it. It is made in China because, obviously, if I'm correct, no reputable company, for instance like Spigen or other brands, can technically make these. So let me just explain this. Once we take it out, you will be able to see that this is a MagSafe case. So if you have any MagSafe accessories, which are Apple accessories basically, this case will work with them. Now the reason no reputable brand will probably be able to sell this is because I'm pretty sure Apple has a patent for this, so only China, which doesn't care about any patents, will be able to just pull this crap off, or they just absolutely copy this and sell it without even giving Apple a cut, because that's really what it comes down to, which is money, and Apple wanting the Apple tax from any brand that sells accessories for their devices. Anyway, before I put it on, I'm going to quickly mention that the phone right here does have a lens protection applied to it, so it will add just like a millimeter or two of additional thickness to the visor right here, which obviously the case never was designed for, but I'm pretty sure it's still going to fit over it without much of a problem, and indeed it does. Now, compared to other cases, this one leaves a bit more of the visor exposed, as most one, for instance like this one, you can see just has cutouts for the important parts like the cameras right here and the microphone along with the flash. This one leaves a bit more exposed. Now additionally, the buttons right here do have cutouts on the side of it, so right here and here, and that makes pressing them a bit easier. Same thing goes for the volume buttons as well. Then at the bottom we have all the important cutouts, also at the top, and that's really all you need. Now that being said, I think this lens protection does add a little bit extra girth that doesn't actually make the device fit perfectly on there like it should. So let me just kind of try to showcase this from a different side. As you can see right here, we have the bezel, and this area specifically right here is a little bit pulled down. Now it's not very visible on the camera, but it is in person, so you can also feel it. So it's a bit more protruding at the bottom, so it's a little bit higher than the actual display. Well, here the display is higher than the actual case, which obviously won't be protecting it as well on the side, specifically in this line right here. So you won't be able to use any kind of visor protection like I have one right now. So this case just kind of excludes it. But other than that, for MagSafe accessories, let's actually grab one. I will need to open it up, but bear with me. Yoink, and here's one of the accessories. So let's see how it holds up. There we go. Once you actually find the correct place, ooh, yeah, it holds pretty well. This ain't going anywhere. Yep, it holds pretty well. So that's a pretty nice one. Anyway, there it is. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.